What is going on, guys? Your boy Carfleet here, back with another Friday upload. In today's video, we're picking up the new rig. Let's go. Just waiting on my dad in his 3500. He's gonna tow it. I could tow it with this rig. I just put my hitch back on and stuff, but my dad said he would do it. He's got a better suspension for it. He can tow a lot with the 3500, so. I've been waiting since Wednesday. This thing is so cool. I really want you guys to see it. So we're gonna do all the stuff. We're gonna get the trailer ready. We have a winch for the trailer so we can winch it on. It doesn't run as of right now, but it's gonna be an awesome project for the channel, and I'm ready to grab it. I've been waiting and waiting, counting the minutes to get the third rig. We got the full sender, we got the daily camper, now we got the classic cruiser. So I hope you guys enjoy. Now we got it hooked up. Let's go get our new project. Woo! There it is. No way. The boys are pulling up to. That's cool, eh? Oh, yeah.
You can do it. Put your shoulder into it.
All right, we got her on, guys. We're gonna give you the full look over once we get home. Back at home. We're gonna see if the Ranger will fire. Haven't started her since tank trap, so let's see how that works here. Hopefully, she has a new battery, so come on, baby. Oh, just loyal. Thinks the blinker's on. You guys hear that? Minor issue. Move this guy. Fire up the ram. Let's see how she sounds though. Cold start for you guys. From across the track. Yeah. Okay, let's get this Bronco back here. Yeah, I'm watching the.
I'll just hold on to this.
Yeah, make
Yeah,
sure.
you're good. I'm not gonna go anywhere now. All the gravity will do. It is kind of going this way, which is a concern.
It's kind of gone the other way now.
Alright.
Yeah, you're fine.
If it
That's
drops,
okay?
it drops.
Yeah.
It's not
If
gonna,
it drops,
it's
it
not gonna hit
drops.
the trailer.
It's actually going that way, which is good. Get it out of the way.
Watch here. If it snaps here, say you love How's that tire?
Yeah, you're good. It's just gonna crawl down the edge.
Rock crawling.
There you go. A little farther back.
What a thing of beauty. Wow, that was easy.
First try?
We had to pull it back out, jack up the front, scoot it over, jack up the rear, scoot it over, because there's no steering.
Dawson the rescue with a winch?
Yeah.
Dawson had his Jeep, we had to pull it to the side. It was a bit extreme. Alright guys, so before I show you the walk around of my Bronco, I just wanted to show you what was happening when I was trying to buy a Bronco. So this was the first one I looked at. It actually ran, I drove it, this one. This one was actually pretty sick. It was $5 grand running and driving, but like this one here, the rust was so bad that it actually was like an issue with this cab corner. Like it wasn't attached anymore. Like it was pretty bad. Like this one was like almost unsavable. And this is the floor. Just gone. Like the whole floor. Here's another picture. It has a fresh exhaust on this one. Frame was just left. It wasn't really being restored. Tons of rust. So like not just the floor pan area, but like everywhere in this thing. It was super rusty. So now this is the one I ended up buying. This was before. So this actually ran on propane. The one I bought. He kind of went and switched everything back to gas. So it'll be able to run soon once I do some modifications. Yeah, so this is the frame on the one I bought. Super clean. Here's the rust on the inside. Little holes. I can patch this stuff. I have no problem with patching and making, like, lining it and making it so it'll last longer rather than cutting the whole floor out like the other one. So here's the front end. So what I'm assuming happened with this one is it actually got restored from like the front forward, and then his son left, so he decided to get rid of this. But yeah, he kind of restored the front forward. So here's the cab corner on the one I bought. Still bad, but not as bad. It's not detached to the side. We'll figure this out. He actually has the piece to put in here, so I can do that when I find some time. Here's the underneath of the one I bought. No drive shaft. We have it. It just needs some work. You guys can see this one was just taken care of from here like that. The tranny was dropped, painted. Everything's painted on the front end. Alright guys, so I paid $4,700 for this, and I know that's a lot of money for something this beat up. Externally, the internals aren't bad, the exterior, the interior is bad. Like the engine's good, the drivetrain's good, like all that stuff's really good. Frames painted, frames mint. $4,700 locally, there is none of these 79s. Like there was the two I looked at, and that's it. There hasn't been one posted since, and there hasn't been any before that. So these are super rare where I live, and to get my hands on one, I'm so excited, guys. And I feel like these are getting rare, and if I just hold on to this one for a long time, it could skyrocket in price too. So yeah, I'm really excited to fix it up. Let's take a peek at it in person. All right, everybody, so you guys already saw it, but here it is, the new project. It's a 79 Bronco Ranger XLT. Now when we talk about projects, we're talking about 5 years of a project. Like, where do I start with explaining what's going on? So the frame, let's start like that. Frame, as you can see, he did a lot of the undercoating already, like the frame's mint in the front. There actually is a little lift in her, suspension lift. Nice frame, like really nice. And then you come to the back, still really nice. Drive shafts in the trunk, I gotta get like a U-joint for it. Tons of rust, like body needs a lot of work. This actually came down, the window goes up and down. The hard top, it's got some tears and we're gonna tarp it, but a lot of work needs to be done. And I don't even know where to start to show you guys, but you guys can see all body. Frame's really good, so that's perfect. So here's the engine, it's the 351 small block, I believe it is. I'm not like an expert with this stuff at all, but you guys can let me know too if you see something. Let me know in the comments. Yeah, here's the engine. It's got AC, duct tape too. Need to get Freon for that. She runs. He showed me it runs. He just poured gas down the top there and it ran. Just painted that. But this is actually really nice. There's no rust in here at all. I'm gonna have a lot of learning to do, but so that's the steering. We had no steering when we did this operation with the trailer, so that I'm missing that link. Old owner, he's actually like, hey, like I bought the part, like he bought it for me right now. Throw that in, we got steering, and then we can kind of move it around. That's like the first thing. I'm trying to get steering first so I can push it around. The next thing is try to get it running. I think all I have to do, I actually have the gas tank. Clean out the gas tank first, put it under, hook it all up, and then it should run. We got to figure out some wiring and stuff, but we'll make it happen. I mean, it's going to be a big project and you guys are going to be along for the whole ride. So in terms of the brakes, we're kind of no clue what's going on with the brakes. We're just gonna have to strip them down one day and just redo them, honestly. But let's take a look inside. Here we have her. So minor rust, we can patch. So I can get the grinder and we'll just go to town, get some sheet metal, just patch it. I'd rather patch it. Keep the factory seat mounts. He said it was in the midst of a floor shifter. Now, I don't know how that works, but I don't know if it's still possible just to go back to the up here shifter, and it's just automatic, so it doesn't really matter to me. Yeah, we got tons of stuff just kind of everywhere. Look at that fresh paint job. So that was removed at one point and painted. So pretty much if you look at this thing, you think it's disgusting, but the internals of it aren't bad. I mean, I'm not going for show truck by any means here. We're just gonna get it fixed, hopefully driving, get the mandatory rust fixed first. I'm just gonna go make a huge checklist of what I need to do because there's a lot. So guys, this is the new project. Yeah guys, leave a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if this is what you thought I was buying. Make sure you guys subscribe because we're gonna be going to town on this thing. So I didn't think I'd actually be working on it today, but I'm actually just gonna take out everything. See what we got in here. There's some more rust than I thought, but nothing major yet. We're just gonna take everything out and put it in the garage. So here's the inside now. Got everything taken out. You can see the damage. Just needs a massive cleaning all over. I'm gonna get the vacuum and start cleaning this thing out. Okay guys, so she's completely gutted. It's just some tools right now and some brooms, but completely gutted. So it's the first like few hours here. We've already started ripping her apart. I didn't think I was gonna do anything on it today, but we're already sending her. So taking the tailgate off. Once I get it off, I'm just gonna clean the whole inside. And then from there, I can figure out what needs to be welded on the inside and we're good to go. I'm just waiting for the steering linkage piece. He said he's bought that, so it'll be here this week. And then I can start steering it and yeah, we'll go from there. But I'm trying to pop this off and I'll show you guys. All right guys, it's dark now, but we got the tailgate off. We got 3 out there, 3 out there. I actually just ended up prying it because it's rusty and needs to go, but here we go. We're down to like the bones here of the interior. We gotta spray it and everything. So we're gonna put a tarp over it for tonight. We're done guys, that's the first episode on it. Thank you all so much for watching. Let me know what you guys think. Give me some tips, what I should do with this thing. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.